Hey, what is that going on now?
Steamed fish.
Steamed fish with
post-storm Irma.
callaloo and crackers and rate. We can't even see the fish.
It's so nice.
See him under there, so?
Yeah, the belly out the door.
Yeah, the belly out the door when the power gone for 1 week. What we do? Rebel.
Yeah.
So rebel.
Show them the grill. Show them the grill.
And then we have chicken going over here, so the grill a fire.
Them grill are hot, them chicken are hot to see. Them are burn up more.
Them spicy, but them nicey.
As it's Yardie belly.
Come in with the video light and show the fish people in.
Fish people them up on the corner there.
I always say steam fish.
You know dance when you there dance, watch them man.
We want the music now.
That one here pose with the fish, because I'm not even eat fish. My fish this. What am my fish this? Remember, I told you. Signing out.
This is what you do when you don't have no light. You turn up the fire in the backyard and run it, you see it. See the wifey? The wifey I work her fish. Sister over there I work that fish there.
No, you mean the rest of your fish?
No, the rest of my fish. And the brother look like him now no sense. And we have wings left. And we have 2 more fish or there up. I'm sure no one.
What you want?
Yes. The jerk wings and fish. That's our Friday night style.
Not at night. I can tell you do it today. Do not do that night. Do not do this at night. When your husband see all of them sitting there, I say, what was that? I are weekend.
I'm not tell nobody we're in that igloo there. I'm not telling a soul what's in the igloo. But that's the end result. You see them a behave?
It is the anointing.
The anointing in it. But see them a behave?
Once you get in there, get the anointing, you're good. Jesus, peace! Leave it on me, Philip! Leave it on me!
This is aftermath of Hurricane Irma. Yeah? This is what's going on in the night. Yeah, this is what. Today, what? The 8th night, see? Night number 8? Without electricity? Remember from Saturday night, you know? 7th, number 7 night, whatever, Friday night. Hey! 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 Hey!
Go in there and pick things.
Hey! 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 Yeah! Yes! Right now! Yes now! Work cute! Yes! Work! Yes! 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 I said yes! Yes! Yes? Just say what? You must stop embarrassing yourself. Yo, you a hater. You a hater. I hate that dance one more time. Yeah. Yeah, hey, okay. Hey, 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 hey. 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 Hey.
Lego jacket.
If I ever want someone to every Friday, the first Friday.
Yo, dance, yo. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Get it, get it. Yeah. Yo, what is that, yo? What you call that? It's a be what? No, that ain't nothing, bruh. Yo, this dude is crazy. I can walk away from that table with at least $20 tip.
Right. So, all right.
Right now.
I tell you what. Let me try something. Cause me have to give half of my wife, half of my wife. So I'm gonna try a little something. Let me taste it. Wait. God is good. God is great. Let us thank you for this fish. Amen.
Citibank customers can now access over 500 more ATMs in the Miami area, which means when
My
you hear
you
this,
know what?
sorry, cash on, you won't be far from this. And when you hear this,
Hey, Mom.
this will be
Someone
right around
it
the corner.
now can share.
With over 500 more ATMs in the
Remember, I'm
it's easy
telling
for
you.
Citibank customers to hear the sound of cash.
Yes,
With
yes.
CVS Pharmacy, Target, Costco, and most
Right
Walgreens.
up.
Citibank, make it here. Citibank ATMs
Right
with
here.
cash with no surcharge fee when you use your Citibank bank account.
Lord.
Number and ATMs in selected stores in the Miami area. ATMs with customers are not
Tell my wife say it not gonna share. I want that. So, I'm gonna feel to go to the door here. Yeah. What are you doing?
Can't shut up the bonnet on the tongue.
Woo!